If you want the single fastest way to create alerts in interactive brokers, this is the video for you. Plus, I'm going to show you the best way to monitor all your alerts at the same time, all within interactive brokers in a few mouse clicks. Let's get into this with Meta. And when you're setting alerts in interactive brokers, it means because you're watching a certain part of the stock for the price and you want it to either go above and below a certain limit. To do this, all you need to do is number one, understand which area of support or resistance you want to identify, then go into the chart and right click. When you right click, you're going to have this little notification bell here in the top right. You can create a new alert. And when you click that bell, you then have this yellow line pop up and you can put that anywhere you want to go. If you do, let's put it down here, for example, right down at 166, the current kind of low area from this chart on Meta. Boom, it's going to show and pop up with the actual price. It's going to say default method. You can do the bid ask, you can do the midpoint, you can do whatever you want in terms of what you want to hit that level. And then you can pop it up if you want to as well. Let's go to 167.90 and we're going to activate it right here. Boom. Now, if Meta crosses this price, it is going to give you a notification. It's going to be like a loud bell ringing sound, depending on what you have it set to, or it might be like a little air horn. There are a couple ways you can edit this alert in the chart if you didn't set quite the right area you want to. And it's very important to set these to the right area because if you don't, you're going to be late to the party. You're going to miss out on potential movements. You can click and drag and move this around. If you want to set that back up, maybe you're thinking it's going to go bullish. Here we have some nice green candles. You can go to the top end and say the top of 204.97 and re-drag it there. If you want to then readjust it, if you right click on the chart again, click the little bell, it'll see a little one there. It's going to tell you how many notifications you have for this stock in this chart. We click that, you can either create a new alert for this company, or you can go in and change your old alert. If I wanted to go back down and reset that back down to 170-ish, we can do that. It'll pop up with a new window here. And you can see that the description is now showing 204.97. The original one was 167.90. If we want to go back and change this, we can click in here, we can click edit, and we can go back and just say, I want this back down to 167.90. We click finish, save modifications, and boom, you can see right here that this line has moved back down. Now, if you have this and you have alerts on other charts, let's go set one. You want to have a place where you can go in and manage them all at the same time. To do this, let's go put one more alert in. Let's go on to Microsoft because it's the next one on the list with M. Pop it open, and let's set an alert right here. Let's say we want to pop above 279 because it's the latest candle close to the upside. And there's a nice kind of wick here going down that's going to reject and move higher. Hopefully, we will set this at 279.50. Ooh, play our little alert there. 279.50 right there. Boom. Okay. And we're going to go bid ask for this one and activate. So now we have activated. So now, you don't want to have to go into each single chart and look at every single alert that you've created. To do this the quick way in a consolidated fashion, you can go in and click on the new window tab in the top left here. If you click there, you scroll down or type in alerts, you pop open the alerts tab, 1, 2, 3, and you have these alerts setting right here. If you want to edit them, you click, you can edit, you can duplicate, you can deactivate, you can do a lot in here. You can configure the settings as well. And you'll see the status of active. If it's already gone through and been activated, you will see that in here as well. But you can see this in real time and it'll give you updates on what is happening in the market in one single place instead of going through every single chart and popping up a bunch of windows at the same time. You can see all your alerts in one spot, ready to go. Hope you guys got some value in this video. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about interactive brokers, the platform, how to trade options, how to buy and invest in the stock market. Thank you for checking in, and I'll catch you on the next one.